What is going on? What is going on, family? Man, this your boy Money Mac coming back to you from the set where we talk about sneakers, electronics, and toys here. And that's what I'm here for, man. Today, we're going to talk about the Jordan 2 Black Cement. Yes, the Black Cement. Okay, back that up. A Jordan 2 Black Cement. This is not what we was asking for, but this is what Nike is giving us. And I am so excited that they are giving us a Jordan 2 in the black cement colorway. Boy, hey, let's take a look at it. All right, man, here we go. We have the Jordan 2 black cement. Yes, the black cement. I don't think you could go wrong with this sneaker. Why? Because it's a black cement colorway. Now, we all know the Jordan 2s aren't that popular, right? But this one right here is gonna smack. That colorway is so clean on that Jordan 2. I almost feel some type of way because this is by far my favorite Jordan 2. Yes, the OG colorway. This is by far my favorite, but after seeing the official images that we got showing right now, I don't know. I think these might be my new favorite colorway of the Jordan 2s. And if you ain't figured it out already, I gotta have these. I absolutely gotta have these. Why? Look at it. Look at it. You can't go wrong with the black and that cement with those red hits. Man, and not to mention the sail midsole that just pretty much sets it off. So if you swap those black laces out and throw some sail laces in there, I don't know. But I can't wait to get these in hand so I can put them sail laces in there and see exactly what it do. But just looking at these official images right here, I can tell you right now, I gotta have these. I have absolutely have to have these. Yeah, they probably gonna sit. They gonna sit just because it's a Jordan 2 and hype beast or whatever ain't feeling the Jordan 2. Or maybe they will because winter is coming up and this shoe, it look like a boot. It look 100% looks like a boot. So I may be wrong. I hope I'm wrong. Actually, I hope I'm right that they sit so I can get mine easy. But I'm trying to get these early though. So if anybody got a plug, let me know. But yeah, in honor of the 35th anniversary of the Jordan 3, Nike is deciding to slap the black cement colorway on some other retros. Yes, the retros, not the um uh man, you know those little things that have the jump man on it. Yeah, no, we not putting those on those unnumbered Jordans or whatever we want to call them. The Jumpman specials. That's what we talking about. No, we not doing that. And as Mike Rich would say, trash can water. Yeah, no, no, no. I've seen a couple of those not so Jordans um, sporting that black cement colorway. Stop it and knock it off, Nike. Stop it and knock it off. But back to the Jordan 2 black cement. This is an absolute have, man. It's releasing on September 23rd for the tune of $175 in a full size run. So get your kids some, get the wifey some, because this shoe right here, I'm telling you, with that all black, with those gray hits and the piping with the cement gray up the slide, come on, bro. You can't go wrong with that. And it's about to be wintertime, or fall or wintertime is coming up. Yeah, it'll be here before you know it, man. This summer was so hot, I think everybody ready for it to be over with. But I digress. These are absolute have. And another absolute have is hitting that like and subscribe button right there. See it right there? It's right there. Yeah, just hit it. Hit that like and subscribe button, man. It shows the appreciation for the content that I'm putting out, and it don't cost you a thing. We all like free, right? Yeah, don't cost you nothing. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button. Hit that notification bell so the next time I post some content, you get notified. This your boy Money Matt, man. Jordan 2, black cement, stamping it. Gotta have them. This your boy, man. Gone.